My name is Dutta Satadip. I work at Pinterest as the global head of customer operations. And my background is actually in computer science. I started my career in software engineering, but then quickly took on several roles across different companies, all in tech, spanning from product management, marketing, all the way to business operations and now customer operations.
Okay.
And what's been interesting about my journey is over the years I realized I liked or gravitated towards a few things.
Yeah.
One of them was solving cross-organizational challenges. And I think CX is a place where there is a lot of that. So that's what's kept me interested, excited, and looking for the future. We are in the high-tech space. My background is in high-tech. We tend to hire a lot of folks with two attributes. One, people who genuinely like to help other people. And two, who have a little bit of a bent using data, analytics, technology to solve problems. Now, folks like this, when we get them, they want to get their hands dirty and do things. What I've found is to have some guiding principles and sort of go off that. And my guiding principle is TRT, and that's not reducing total resolution time. That's actually how do I build trust, a focus on results, and a lot of transparency. Because the best way to engage employees is to make sure that they understand what is the bigger purpose, but also concrete goals that they can go after, and have the psychological safety in the organization to talk about issues and be vulnerable, not just sort of how they feel, but about the challenges that they see as a business and be able to discuss and solve that. And that's how we connect sort of the culture of piece of it and the type of people we hire, which is help the customers, but use some of the technology and data to solve it. I think this is one of those few roles I feel that is a combination of a lot of empathy, a lot of people skills, a lot of skills to be able to relate, and some opportunities to problem solve in very different ways. At the heart of it, empathy and problem solving are probably the things that ultimately matter the most. And I'm a big believer that if you have good heart, good empathy, and if you like to solve challenges, this is a great line of work because our customers' expectations are always changing. So the type of problems you're going to encounter are always going to change. It's an extremely dynamic place, but those are the two attributes I think that I have enjoyed honing, building, demonstrating, and looking forward to do more.